The Sony MZ-N1 was Sony's first portable NetMD recorder. This flagship device improved upon the MZ-R909 with a new control layout and, of course, NetMD functionality. It came in blue and silver, required a dock for NetMD functions, and is one of my favorite Sony MiniDisc recorders. It looks stunning in blue. This one's pictured with a third-party battery pack and dock replacement, which we'll discuss later. Let's talk about the controls, but first, removing it from the dock is simple. Just push down and lean forward. Starting on this side, we see the headphone and remote jacks, mic, and line in. On the flip side, we just have volume controls and track mark. The rear houses a hold switch. Putting it back into the dock is simple. Push it down and lean it back. Now for the front controls. Instead of a D-pad, Sony went with this joy lever, which isn't always the most precise, but we'll show it in action later. The rear of the dock is where you'll find the mini USB port required for connecting to your PC for NetMD functionality. Here's another look at the sides while we go through using the Sony MZ-N1. I think you'll agree that the jog dial finally proves useful here, but that squishy jog lever could go back to the drawing board. Note, they changed the eject to a slider instead of a push-down mechanism like in the MZ-R900 and the MZ-R909, since we need to push down to use the dock. Okay, so let's insert a disc and check out the controls. The jog lever controls play, pause, forward, reverse, and stop. Other front buttons include end search, record slider, and group or cancel. Group is useful if you have multiple groups. Think of them like folders. Just push, and then you can navigate using the jog dial. Push the jog dial in to select your group. Pushing it in while playing allows you to edit the disc, but let's cancel for now. Scrolling up and down to select tracks is intuitive, then push in to select. Push in while playing to access the edit menu. Or scroll past edit to see other options. I'll map these out better in a blog post. This timer would play a tune to remind you of something. Here, you see the headphone jack can double as a line out. No mega bass here, but you can configure two sound profiles and adjust the bass and treble for each one. This personal mode allows you to store some settings to be used for certain discs. For example, if you wanted this ELT disc to always be at max volume and shuffled. Lastly, turn off AVLS and you can edit your beep settings. Let's check out the remote. the fantastic RM MC12 ELK. I re-recorded this bit so the scene is different. Nice simple button layout here, no jog levers. The end cap twists to play or go forward, there's also reverse. I love this large backlit display that supports kanji. It may not show a ton of data at once, but it's nice and easy on the eyes. The only control on the bottom is the hold slider. Sliding the collar up lets you control the volume. I love the control scheme on this remote, and I wish the later ones were more like it. Push the collar down to go back to track controls. Again, it's one of my favorite Sony remotes, and I try to use it when I can on this MZ-N1 and the MZ-E909. Next, let's talk about what to do if you can't find the original dock. As nice as the dock is, it's not the easiest to find, and it uses an old mini USB port. Luckily, Jerry Lee has designed 2 different dock replacements that use USB-C to charge and connect for NetMD. This larger one includes a battery, while the smaller one is just docking and charging. As you can see, it connects like the AC adapter and screws on to secure it. That small switch controls the mode, charging or NetMD. This one with the internal battery is super handy, and it accompanied me to Japan, making it easy to keep it charged and ready to go. I like having both for home and travel use. Get these from MD Gadgetry on Instagram. You've seen 2 of these repaired in my previous videos, and I hope this helped show you how great these portable recorders really are. If you're in the market for one, let's chat. Maybe I can help you find one. As always, thanks for watching.